So I want to go over how to do these kinds of constructions real quick. So I'm going to do videos for each one. So this is copy a segment. So we did copy a segment. Here's the segment I want to copy, AB. And we're going to take that segment and I'm just going to set up my compass. Actually, we're going to need a starting point because if you got to copy it, you got to copy it somewhere, right? So I'm going to put a starting point here. Move that little cursor right away. And I'm going to draw a line that I'm going to copy it onto. So I'll put a little line there. So I'm going to call that starting point A prime because the idea is this A prime is going to match up with A. So I'm going to center my compass at A and I'm going to move my setting so that it's just where I can see the point inside there. And I'm going to make an arc on that. That's measuring the length of the segment. And I'm going to take that measurement down to A prime, put it in its position, hold down, keeping the same measurement, and make a mark. So there is where my B prime is. And now I can connect the two dots, and that's my segment. I like using a different color for this just so it very clearly says, hey, there's my segment. Okay? I want to show you that on Delta Math as well because I want you to do some Delta Math work too with this and some practice. So looking at it in Delta Math, let's go over here real quick. So here's one where I want to use a compass and straight edge. So I'm going to say, great, let's take, here's my R prime. So I'm going to quickly do a line through here first, just so I got a place to copy it. You know what? I'm going to copy it this way. Doesn't matter how you copy it, right? Now I'm going to get my compass and I'm going to center my compass at R, and using my drag, I'm going to drag it so that it's at S. Okay, that's setting the width of my compass. And you know what? You can actually point to the dotted line and it changes to a pencil. And I'm going to drag and make a drawing there. That's making my mark. I'm going to drag my compass, the center of my compass, to R prime. And again, point to the dotted line. It gets a pencil and I can make my mark. Now I can make my segment. So I'm going to get my segment tool. I'm going to connect R to my intersection, and there we go. I can go down here, click submit, and yes, I want to submit that. There we go. Simple as that. All right. Hopefully that helps.